Hello everyone, it's Zaid from Z Security, and in this video I want to show you how to fix a common issue when using the custom HSTS Hijack caplet with BetterCap. Now, you should try this solution only if you try to use the caplet, the HSTS Hijack caplet, and you go to facebook.corn, C-O-R-N, and you get an error similar to this one right here. Forget about the IP, but the error should say dial TCP lookup, no such host. So only apply this fix if you are able to do everything that I showed you in the course so far with no issues. So you should be able to ARP spoof the target, and the target MAC address should change to the MAC address of Kali. You should be able to sniff login data from websites that use normal HTTP, such as vulnweb.com. You should also be able to downgrade normal HTTPS to HTTP, so you should be able to downgrade Stack Overflow and Z Security. If you're able to do all of that and you came to use the HSTS Hijack caplet in order to downgrade HSTS websites like Facebook and Twitter, and you went to the .corn website and you got this error, then follow the solution that I'm going to show you right here, and this should fix your issue. The main problem with this is actually with the latest version of BetterCap. Therefore, the only solution at the moment is to basically downgrade to an older version that works. So I'm going to include a download link in the resources and in the description for an older version of BetterCap. I already have it downloaded here in my downloads, as you can see. And basically all we have to do is copy this to the location where the BetterCap binary is stored. So I'm going to go to my terminal, and the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the BetterCap version that I have downloaded, because like I said, this is the one that causes the issues. So we're going to use the rm command to remove it, and it is stored in usr bin BetterCap. We're going to hit enter, and that's removed for us. So now if we try to use BetterCap, if we do help, for example, you'll see it will tell us command is not found because we removed it. So even though we installed it before, right now the binary is removed. The next step is to copy the binary that is in my downloads right here. As you can see, it's in my downloads to the location where BetterCap is usually loaded from, which is user bin. So to do that, we're going to use the cp command, and our binary right now is in downloads, BetterCap, and we want to copy this to usr bin. And no errors, that means the command got executed properly. The last thing that we need to do is change the permissions of the binary that we just copied to an executable. And to do that, we're going to do chmod plus x, followed by the location of the file that we want to change its permission. And the file that we want to change its permissions is in usr bin BetterCap. So it's the file that we just copied. We're going to hit enter. And as you can see, this runs with no issues at all. So now you can go ahead and run the attack exactly like I showed you in the course. And it should work, because now if we run BetterCap, you'll see we're going to get version 2.23, which is a version that works, that I've tested myself. Like I said, the recent version doesn't work. That's why you're getting the error that you see in here. Now, I'm going to do the attack very quick. I'm not going to show you how it works. You can go back and watch the lecture to see how it works, but I'm going to do it very quickly here just to show you that it'll actually work at the end. So I'm going to start my probe, and I'm going to set my target. And we're going to set full duplex to true. And we're going to set ARP spoofing. And finally, I'll start my HSTS hijack. And let's go here to the target. I'll remove the history real quick and load facebook.corn. And perfect, as you can see, it's working as expected, and it's downgraded to HTTP exactly as shown in the course.